International Truck knows that managing and maintaining a healthy fleet is complex. It involves multiple data sources and communication channels that include notifications from OEMs, diagnostic dashboards, fleet maintenance software, dealer phone calls, and endless emails, to name a few. But not anymore. Introducing International 360, a revolutionary communication platform that will transform the way you manage the maintenance and repairs of your entire fleet. International 360 is easy to use, putting all your data in one accessible place. It's designed to expedite the repair process and create seamless, transparent communications, all to maximize your uptime like never before. With it, fleet managers can seamlessly connect with International's dealer service network and get comprehensive VIN-level data with up-to-date views of the health and status of their vehicles. While vehicles are in service, you can stay informed on the status and estimated time of repair completion. Plus, online communication channels, estimate approvals, and service requests all help to expedite the repair process. International 360 puts all your vital fleet information just one click away. This includes comprehensive parts catalogs, vehicle service information with specifications and service manuals, and up-to-date visibility to the health and location of all fleet assets through On-Command Connection. On-Command Connection was the industry's first OEM-provided remote diagnostic solution built on an open architecture platform. With its advanced remote diagnostic system, On-Command Connection transforms telematics data into actionable insights. On-Command Connection also remains the only OEM remote diagnostic solution that is integrated with over 24 telematics service providers, allowing you to integrate your entire fleet regardless of make, model, or telematics device into one solution. It provides tools that include industry-leading comprehensive vehicle health reports, detailed fault code action plans, mapping data integrated with our dealer parts inventory system, and other reports such as idle times and driving behaviors. On-Command Connection enables fleets to proactively recognize maintenance issues when they first occur, so they can be addressed before becoming a more significant event. When fleets integrate the robust data from On-Command Connection into the new International 360 platform, fleet management becomes even more seamless. International 360 was designed with you in mind. We provide you access to tools and resources however you need it. You can use our comprehensive portal, or we'll work with you to seamlessly integrate the data and communication from 360 into your existing fleet management systems through custom APIs. So let's see how it all comes together. Through the power of On-Command Connection, a fleet manager identifies a vehicle with a health issue. The fleet manager uses International 360 to request service, and a repair ticket at a dealership of their choice is automatically initiated. The dealership then uses 360 to pull the latest vehicle health report and begins a repair plan in anticipation of the vehicle's arrival. When the vehicle arrives, the dealer changes the status on the repair card, and the fleet manager gets an email confirming its arrival. Once the write-up is complete, the fleet manager is notified that an estimate is available and can be reviewed and approved online. The system will also include an estimated time of completion. Throughout the repair process, the dealer will keep the vehicle status updated in 360. Dealers and fleets can trade notes and answer each other's questions within the repair card. And when the work is done, the fleet manager will be notified with a vehicle-ready update. International 360 is setting a new bar for fleet management with telematics integration, all makes compatibility with no extra per VIN charges, and flexibility of how data is delivered, making fleet management easy, transparent, and ultimately improving your uptime. Are you ready to take your fleet to the next level? Talk to us today about what International 360 can do for you.